Hey there, outdoor enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the features of the MARCHWAY lightweight folding high-back camping chair, designed for ultimate comfort and convenience on your adventures. This chair offers a high back for added comfort, supporting your back, neck, and head, allowing you to recline and relax for long periods without compromising your posture. Its triangular base provides maximum stability, ensuring you stay secure even on uneven terrains, while the aircraft-grade aluminum frame and ripstop fabric seat make it both lightweight and robust, supporting up to 330 pounds. Weighing only 3.5 pounds, this chair is incredibly portable, folding into a compact carrying bag that's just a third of the size of traditional camp chairs, making it perfect for campers, hikers, and anyone on the go. The setup is a breeze, thanks to elastic cords and fabric seat sleeves that slip over the poles, allowing you to assemble it in just a minute with a little practice. Whether you're camping, tailgating, fishing, or attending a music festival, this versatile chair is your go-to companion for any outdoor activity. So, if you're looking for a lightweight, durable, and comfortable seating solution for your next adventure, the MARCHWAY camping chair is the perfect choice. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.